Publishing an Alteryx workflow to the Alteryx gallery allows you to share workflows with colleagues or make them accessible for automated execution. Here's how to publish a workflow to the Alteryx gallery. Prepare workflow. Ensure your workflow is complete and thoroughly tested. Verify that all necessary input connections, tools, and configurations are correctly set up. Save workflow. Save your workflow locally on your computer. This file contains the entire workflow configuration. Open Alteryx Gallery. Access the Alteryx Gallery web interface or the gallery URL provided by your organization. Log in and navigate. Log in using your credentials and navigate to the section where you can manage or publish workflows. Publish workflow. Follow the prompts to upload and publish your workflow to the gallery. You may need to provide a description, tags, and select permissions. Configure scheduler. If you want to schedule the workflow for automated execution, configure scheduling settings within the gallery interface. Monitor and share. Once published, monitor the workflow's execution and share the gallery link with colleagues or stakeholders who need access.